Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So, in this lesson we're carrying on with the graphics options and we should finish all the code for the shadow settings and actually get around to testing that. But first, as you can see, I have the graphic options, Game Manager, Options menu and Launch Manager scripts all open. So if you haven't already done so, please pause the video and open those scripts. And we're going to begin by cleaning up some code. So first thing we're going to do in the graphics options script is select all this code. So the private quality settings and the enum for it. So let's cut that. And we're going to come to Game Manager and we're going to paste that in. So now we have all four of these in our Game Manager script. And this first line we're going to change to a public static. And we're going to change the enum to public also. So as you can see, fix that red error there. If we come to graphics options, the red errors are now gone in there. So let's just save here. So all these blocks are now in the Game Manager options menu. We're going to come to, and I'm going to delete all of this actually. We'll not need that now. So all I've done is I've just deleted all the enums and the graphics names here. So let me just change back to the large font. And we'll just get rid of all of that. We don't need that now, so we'll just flick through. There should be no red errors. And then we'll come to the Launch Manager. And I'm going to come again into the void start, again just before both close brackets. And we can actually begin by selecting all the code for the shadow type level. So let's just paste that in below. And now we'll change out what needs to be changed out. So we want shadow resolution level equals get string. And I believe we use shadow resolution level. Wrong script, sorry. Let's just come down. We'll just check this. So we'll just copy that naming convention into here. I'll just break this line up for commenting. So I'll cut and I'll paste the comment line onto the first line. We'll swap out the naming convention from type to resolution is equal to. I'll cut everything after equal and we'll paste it in. And we'll also copy and paste in that naming convention also. So underscore straight after the if, open brackets, shadow resolution level equals shadow, and do we use the full shadow resolution names? Let's have a look. Yep. So let's come back in fact, we can copy and paste. Let's just copy and paste that first naming convention into all the if blocks. Shadow resolution names will also copy and paste in here and here. And we'll swap that out in the comments also. And then we'll just copy the bottom if block and we'll paste that in, change 2 to 3 and change it to 3 in the comment also. So shadows, so it should be quality settings dot, and now it should be shadow resolution equals shadow resolution dot low. So let's have a look at the comment lines. Let's shadow, get rid of the S, resolution to low. We'll copy and paste this into the next line, low to medium. And let's just copy that line. We'll paste it in twice this time, here and here. So high. And finally, very high. So let's save all of that off. And I believe that's everything we need to do. I'm just going to have a quick look through. Just check everything. Everything looks absolutely fine. So we do that. We set it here. Yep. So let's now move on to testing. Let's downsize that script. We'll open the console and we'll hit play. Let's maximize so we can see it in its proper format. Let's select options, graphic options. Obviously we're still going off the screen here. I'm not too worried about that. We'll fix that later. So current shadow resolution setting. So we've got high at the moment. Let's change that to very high. We'll stop the game. We'll start back up and we'll run through it again. And this is the reason why I wanted to wait for testing till we got the code for both the type and resolution in place, because it does take a while to run through all the testing. And I thought I'd just get it done all in one video, that rather than have these long sessions for a number of videos. So let's change, I'm going to change the shadow type settings now from hard and soft to hard only. Let's set the resolution at medium. And again, let's run through. So that is working. Let's set it to disabled and low. I know it doesn't quite make sense setting disabled and then actually bothering setting a resolution, but you know, just for testing, let's fire it back up. Again, we'll let it run through. And as you can see, it's actually saved the settings. So that's all our settings working. Obviously, we could do with some tidying up of the format. And actually, let me know in the comments below, because I was in two minds whether to move on to something else or change this so this would be separate as our preset options, and we would also have then custom options, and I'd include a texture quality here. Obviously we'd have to move everything along, but we need to change move things about anyway, so that wouldn't be a problem. But please let me know on what you prefer me to do first. So I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.